Yeah. Hi, Frank and Michaela. So I've just modelled up what Colin's done, and yeah, everything basically works. Um, you sort of got the ply flowing over the steel beam at that location. You've got the ridge through the middle. Everything's set down 135 at that end, and then you've got the gutter flowing. The other part of the roof flowing this way into the gutter, 50 mil drop down. So everything works, which is all good. Colin's got 45 mil over this distance, which I believe is around 1.5 degrees. So from there to there is 1.5, and from there to there is 1.5. On the model, and look, I've just been tracing over the PDF, but on the model, the valleys are obviously under 1.5. So don't know if that's an issue. I don't think it is, to be honest. I think valleys can be under, providing that the um, main roof is 1.5 or over, 1.5 being minimum. So that should be all good. The only thing I do is just check with Colin that, yeah, the valley is obviously being under, because we don't want the inspector to put his digital level on the valleys and work out that it's under 1.5. Um, but yeah, basically he's done that because that's your dictating point. You can't go lower than that. But that all works. So haven't made these gutters 400 yet, but that won't have any effect. Uh, just when we know what we're doing, I'd like to sort of mark up a PDF and then let Jesse know that all the gutters are 400. So that should be fine. All right. Cheers, guys.